Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir, and I thank the honourable member for his question. In terms of the standards being met at the Navakai wastewater treatment plant, yes, the current treatment of wastewater at Navakai wastewater treatment plant largely meets the set standards under normal operating conditions. WAF, however, in times that we have heavy rains and calamities, WAF has to work around the clock to try to continue meeting the standards during those particular times. At present, however, there's a detailed design for upgrades, which includes augmentation and consolidation works in place. We will try to increase the capacity to treat wastewater in Navakai for a population of above $75,000. This project has been awarded to a world-renowned company, Hunter H2O. The work is well underway, and it involves early interaction with the people that were supposed to do this. The tender for this has already been advertised locally, and this will allow WAF to extend its wastewater services to Fijians, increasing access to wastewater services. Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir.